Hi there. So today we are going to be having some caramelized beet with some sautéed pork ribs on the side. I know you're craving already. You're salivating already, isn't it? All right. I am Chanazi's Twist, and all I do is twist the little things my mom showed me in her beautiful, beautiful traditional kitchen. Now let's do this. First, in my blender, I added some onions, some garlic. Be generous with your garlic, some leeks. Then I added a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of white vinegar. You can add some water or oil to blend. Then I added my large cube of my green homemade all-purpose seasoning. In a bowl, I transferred my already washed meat, then added some nutmeg. I added some nutmeg. I went in with my all-purpose dry seasoning, homemade dry seasoning, and then I added my Cameroon pepper for some heat. Now this is optional. You can drop that if you're not a pepper person. I added some salt. Then I went on with my blended mix. Last but not the least, I added my yellow mustard. You can use any mustard of your choice, all right? Once this is done, just go ahead and mix everything beautifully. Give that a beautiful massage. Add a pinch of love or two, and then once you see that your marinade and your pork are well combined, cover and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. Now, this is the next day. I actually did an overnight marinade. So, this is the next day. I will be putting it to boil, but I felt the quantity was too much, so I just had to, you know, freeze a little bit for next time. So I won't be going through the whole process again when I feel like eating some pork. All right, so I'm transferring the rice into my pot and then I'll put to boil. Here we are. Everything is boiling beautifully, and at this stage, my kitchen smells. Ooh, it smells so beautifully. While that is happening, let's go ahead and grate our beetroots. Now, I already washed my beetroots and peeled them off camera, so I will just be grating them nicely. Just so that it's also, it's fun to do this grating process. All right. So now we are done. We are going to transfer this in a clean pot, and then you do not want to put it on high heat. Just put it on medium heat and let it fry. You need to fry until all the water dries up. Fry until all the water dries up before you add in your oil. We are not adding any oil at this stage. And here, while it's cooking on that side, we're gonna be frying our pork. This is what we call multitasking. We are multitasking, yeah. Now we're gonna go back to our beets, adding a little bit of oil. Yes, just add a bit of oil, give it a good stir. It's beginning to smell lovely. It's beginning to smell lovely. Then add in some salt, add your sliced onions, give it another beautiful stir. Then go in with your garlic and some pepper for some heat as well. Now, the pepper is optional. So once you stir that, add some black pepper and allow it to continue cooking on low heat. Now our meat is cooking nicely and you do not want it to be too dry. All right. So once your meat is golden brown, just go ahead and take it off the heat. Once it looks like so, then we are done. All right. So at this stage, everything is ready. Our beetroots are ready. They're beautifully caramelized. Our meat is ready. Now let's go ahead and prep our green seasoning. So we already have our green seasoning. We're just going to go ahead and cook it a little bit. Just add a bit of water and let it cook until the water dries up. Then add in a bit of oil. Season as desired and let it cook. So that too is ready. Now in another pot, in a clean pot, we are going to transfer our fried meat and then add in our cooked green seasoning. Now just give it a good stir for like 1 minute and you are good to go. That's it. As simple as that. Then let's go ahead and do what we know how to do. Do not forget to sprinkle some love. All right. Okay. Please do not forget to like. Did you like? Did you share? Did you comment? That is very important to me. All right. Thank you if you did. And thank you if you are yet to do. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, I almost forgot. Have you done your random act of kindness this year? Have you done your random act of kindness this month? If you haven't, run. Run and do so right now. Bye.